Good afternoon, everyone on YouTube. This Fatima Sarad, and if you are new to my channel, PLS, don't forget to hit the subscribe bell button, like and share my video. For today's vlog is we will visit in the Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi. Please keep on watching until end of our video. By the way guys, my husband is with me, and this is our first time we visited here. So, this is just short tour video. I hope you will like our video today. You can also comment down below, and your comment it will help my channel to grow. And PLS only positive comments. Thank you.
Guys, nandito na po kami sa itaas ng Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi. So, kinausap namin yung security. So, inallowed naman kami ng security. Ayan, sinabi lang namin na for checking kami. So, nandito tayo sa pinakataas ng Capital Gate, Abu Dhabi. Ayan guys. Diyos ko, ang taas. So, guys, bababa na kami. Ayun, napapicture lang kami. Tumingin sa terrace area. Napakataas.
Nice place to visit.
Yeah. So, once again,
Capital Gate. We are
yes.
here at 10th floor, Andaz Hotel, passing by. We see the terrace view. Nice view.
Guys, ang ganda ng CR nila dito sa Capital Gate. Ang dami. Yan. Napaka-modern. Napakalinis. So guys, tapos na po kami gumala dito sa Capital Gate. So kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, pwede po kayong pumunta dito para mamasyal. At saka kung gusto niyo mag-check-in dito, mag-inquire lang kayo sa reception area. So, once again, this is Capital Gate here in Abu Dhabi City. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, and share this video. Bye-bye! Yun guys, salamat sa inyo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-like at i-share, and pakiclick yung all notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na may bagong video ako. So, maraming salamat ulit. Good night. See you in my next video po. Bye-bye.
Where is my wallet? I gave you one. SIM card?
Maya,
What's up?
what you will say to all the viewers?
Hello, good evening everyone. We are signing out from this Capital Gate Hotel. Lies in Abu Dhabi City. Very nice place to view from the 18th floor where there is Andaz Hotel. We are going back to our home. Thank you for all viewers watching. Just always, as always, like, share this our own video. Thank you so much.
Bye bye guys. Dito na kami sa labas guys. So ito yung itsura ng Capital Gate pag nasa labas kayo. Yan, hanggang 18th floor po yan. Ayan, ang taas.
Yep.